Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. The next video you're going to see is us taking on groceries. Now I know you've seen this before, but I always sped up the video. This time I'm not. I'm only going to cut out the boring parts where the camera just sits there, nothing's being done. But other than that, so this video is going to be quite long. Enjoy it. Definitely watch these guys, especially at the end. Oh my God, they are so silly. Anyways, enjoy this video and have fun. We had fun doing this. See you in a bit. Hey everyone, sorry to interrupt the video, but I want to bring you a special message, and it has to do with Hero Soap Company. Hero Soap supports our military, our homeless veterans, and the Garrison DC Foundation. For every bar you purchase, they also send a bar overseas to our military. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to HeroSoapCompany.com, choose your favorite scent. You could also buy the t-shirts and hats. And when you go to the discount, when you go to checkout, put in the discount code BADGE. And that's in reference to badge. Everybody needs one. And hear what he has to say about it.
You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing it. So I'd like to thank Saucy very much and all our subs and viewers and everything. Thank you very much.
Hey, come on. Yeah, I need to comb my hair. Do I look good for my movie's production?
Hey everybody, I'm getting on groceries, so guess what I'm doing? I'm doing a video. So here we go. The boat store's here. This is Chad. He's from the B&M Boat Store. Look at all that stuff. I see an Amazon box, and I know that belongs to me. You go ahead and do a train.
Excuse me. Yes, I did.
Huh?
Yes, I.
I will, as soon as I get out of my way.
You're gonna get hit.
Does the body good. Staples for Julie. Here, hand this back to him, please. Hi, this is for your wife. Honey. Yeah, I know. Oh, come on. We're freezing stuff right here. It's okay. Let's be a little more organized.
All right, man. Y'all take care.
Thank you.
Hey. Oh, yeah.
Getting off the 3 and a white though, man.
Yeah, I'm getting
Very awesome. I'm getting 50 days.
been up all night.
Oh, you're coming in? All
Yeah,
right.
come in.
Because I got stuff for you, too. All these goodies right there.
Oh, thank you. I'll take them back and share.
All right, I'm going to close the store for right now because of bugs.
Yeah, you guys like bumblebees coming up here.
All right. Well, at the ratio made a lot of delays.
Yeah.
15 lost 15 when it happened. They shut everything down about 2 days.
What we're doing right now is we're doing what we call CODs. He brings in his cash box and we buy our stuff.
That's what you was looking for?
Yeah, I got some good installs, man. I've been having steel toe flip flops.
Ah.
Oh, these are hot. Woo. I got somebody out here that cannot handle spikes at all.
They're not that bad.
No, that can't handle
Any? No, that's Steve.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I have
Money or money, we can't.
I have money for now Santos.
Okay. Santos is 12.
I got Santos.
Oh, okay. Kenny?
Yeah.
How are you, buddy?
Got a great
BC powders, marble lights. Yeah, marble lights.
I need more freezer stuff. I know I'm missing a whole bunch.
a Diet Coke?
Yeah, the Diet.
It's here somewhere.
I just seen them in here.
No?
Unless they're in a box.
No. They might still be. Look in my boat.
Oh, here they are.
Found them. That's for Santos.
Here's Diet Coke.
15.
We took a closer look, and that's
20.
but then the question I think about all of our minds was why are these things blowing in the middle of the Amazon rainforest?
Yes. Signature. Okay.
Hey everyone, this is Chad. He is the delivery boat driver for our groceries. How you doing, Chad? Tell
Doing good this morning.
Tell us about you.
We're busy. We are a small family-owned business that we operate on the 403 on the Mississippi River, delivering supplies to all the towboats, and it's a fun and adventurous job.
Yep, and we got some goodies for you. Some blueberry muffins, some Reese peanut butter cups, and some cereal crack.
All right.
So you can take back to the office and tell Julie I said hi.
I sure will.
All
Thank
right,
you.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to show you a quick view of everything I got, but then I got to put it away. So, be right back.
Thank you.
All right, here we go. Thank you, Chad. See you
Bye.
later.
See you later.
Bye-bye. All right, got a bunch of stuff over here, 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 over here, and of course our personal stuff. Yep, and I'm gonna have the guys help me put it away. All right.
Did you order concrete?
Butter.
Here. I got that. Thanks. You're gonna get hurt cooking.
Thank you.
The butter goes in the fridge, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Rotate that butter, please.
Huh?
Rotate that butter.
Rotate the butter, okay.
at the size of that jar.
Thank you.
Yep, make it about here.
Is that different than baking soda?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
And ladies and gentlemen, Kenny Duncan.
And this is the first time Saucy ever put groceries up in her life. And she
You
wants to
lie,
make
lie, lie.
a movie out of it. Well, people cook every day. I mean, come on. People put groceries up every day. What's the big deal? I don't
Winner
get
for
it.
grumpiest man on earth, Kenny Duncan. You like to take all the little people.
These guys like to try and pick on me, and I'm going to tell you right now, they're so full of bullshit, it's unbelievable. But I love them all, they're still helpful. Thanks, guys.
His eyes are brown, not mine.
Let me see those eyes.
They're blue.
Oh yeah, they are blue. Okay, yep, his eyes are brown, so we all know he's full of it.
And now we know.
All right, love you guys. Thank you. Well, finally got done, but I got unpackaging to do. And that will be in the next video. Wait till you see what I got. I think I gave it away in the previous video. But you'll see it, so for those that missed that video. Alright people, you have a great, wonderful day. I gotta finish putting away these groceries, and then I gotta finish getting lunch together. I've got, oh shit, let me, it's only 8:25 in the morning. You guys did a wonderful job of helping me. B&M Store, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Julie, Chad, you all been wonderful. You're always there for me. Even when I always forget things and constantly texting and calling you. Hey, see that gray hair? That's my excuse and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Alright, to all my subscribers, thank you for supporting this channel. Anybody that's new to this channel, click on that subscription button down below. Click on that little bell for future notification of all my videos. Leave a comment and do a thumbs up. I will respond to the comments. You all have an awesome, awesome day. See you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, glad you stayed to the end because I got a special thing going. Alright, here it is. I have a little short clip here of some very famous people. You won't see the people, but you'll see the building that they have. And this building has been in their shows quite often. So, with that said, I gave you a couple hints on who it is, and I want you all to try and guess it. But there's another reason why I didn't say nothing in the description or in the title regarding this ending, because I want to see how many people really watch my videos to the end. I know a method to my madness here. No, I want to see if people are really watching my videos to the end, or if they just only watch a few minutes and then make a comment. So that's fine, make your comment. But in reference to the ending here, if you watched it all the way to the end, for the people that watch this later, and you do not, and I will repeat again, do not comment anything about the ending, okay? The ending part is for, I want you to email me to get your name in the drawing. If you comment, and I see the comment regarding the ending, I will delete that comment and disqualify you. You don't want to be disqualified. You want better chances of you winning. So, do not say anything. Let's keep it a secret. And all those ones that were in the live chat all the way to the end, you automatically get your name in the drawing. And I want to thank you all for sticking around with me and going through this premiere. I love you all. You all are the best. And again, I'm going to state one last time, do not comment anything regarding the ending of this video in the comments section. If you want your name in the drawing, you must email me, and you need to describe the building and or give me the answer, and I'll put your name down. Alright people, good luck to everyone. I love you all for supporting this channel and being there for me while I'm on the boat at this time. It's going to be a long ride. So with that said, I want to say see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Bye-bye.